colors with example. This is orange. This is orange. The color of the orange is orange color. This is orange. O for orange. O-R-A-N-G, orange. This is orange color. And this is example of orange color. This is orange fruit. This is blue. Blue color. B for blue. B-L-U-E, blue. This is blue color. And the example is sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. Sapphire is a stone. And the sapphire color is blue. This is black color. This is black color. B for black. B-L-A-C-K, black. This is black color. And the example is crow. C for crow. C-R-O-W, crow. The crow color is black. This is black color. And the example is crow. This is lemon. This is lemon. L for lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. And the color is yellow. This is lemon. And this is yellow color. And the example is yellow. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Yellow color example is lemon. This is brown. B for brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. This is brown color. And the example is a corn. A-C-O-R-N, corn. A corn color is brown color. So this is brown color. And example is a corn. A corn color is brown color. Apple. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. And the color is red color. Apple color is red color. And this is red color. R-E-D, red. This is red color. This is orange. Orange is a fruit. And the orange color is orange color. This is orange color. And the example is orange. Orange is a fruit. O-R-A-N-G, orange. This is orange. This is sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. This is sapphire. And the color is blue color. Sapphire is a stone. And this is blue color. B for blue color. B-L-U-E, blue. This is blue color. C for crow. C-R-O-W, crow. And the color of the crow is black color. Example of black color. This is black color. B-L-A-C-K, black. This is black color. This is yellow color. Yellow color is lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Lemon color is yellow color. And this is yellow color. Y for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This is a corn. A-C-O-R-N, a corn. This is brown color. B for brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. This is brown color. And the example is a corn. Corn is also in brown color. This is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. This is red color. And this is red color. R-E-D, red. Red color. O for orange. O-R-N-G, orange. Orange example is orange fruit. B for blue. B-L-U-E, blue. This is blue color. And the example is sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. Sapphire is a stone. This is black color. B-L-A-C-K, black. This is black color. And the example is crow. C-R-O-W, crow. And this is also a black color. This is yellow. Y for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. And the example is lemon. L-E-M-O-N, lemon. Lemon is a vegetable. B for brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. This is brown color. And the example is a corn. A for a corn. A corn is food. A-C-O-R-N, a corn. This is a corn. This is brown color. R for red. R-E-D, red. This is red color. And the example is apple. Apple is also in red color. A-P-P-L-E, apple. This is apple. And this is red color. R for red. R-E-D, red. O for orange. B for blue. B for black. Y for yellow. B for brown. R for red. Here are some colors named with examples. Thank you so much for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.